Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a page in WordPress. So first log into your WordPress dashboard. Then in the dashboard, click on pages and select all pages. A new screen will appear. Click on the top left add page. Now simply write up name of your page. You can either publish it or can save as draft. So I am publishing it. Once published, you can view your page. Uh, to delete this page, go back to your WordPress dashboard, click on pages and then all pages. From here, this is the page that we have created. Move to trash and this will be deleted.